Hi everyone. Firstly, I'd like to apologize. I'm not going to be doing any talking today, purely because my wisdom tooth is giving me so much pain. Yeah, I'm just going to be trading in silence in my own little mood or my own little zone. I'm going to bring up this. Oh man, my tooth is killing me. Right, signals. Right. I want to try and get this trading session over and done, so I can go relax. My wisdom tooth is giving me so much pain. Okay, GPUSD entering the sell zone or buy zone, should we say it? Okay. Okay. Might be having a buy soon on GPUSD. Very, very interesting. We'll see what happens there. We're still in a downtrend, so USDJPY. Euro USD is spiked down massively. Okay, what's Euro USD saying? Euro USD is okay. Price is going sideways on Euro USD. Oof. Extremely risky setup. Yeah, so I apologize again if I'm not doing any talking. Pretty much my tooth is giving me so much pain, so I'm just sitting here in silence. With right. Okay, JPY, not a lot going on there. GPUSD. GPUSD looks like a possible buy setup happening very, very soon. Looks like we're going to form a double bottom on the 15-minute charts. USD CAD. Euro USD has just crashed. It's just moved like 10 pips within like 4 minutes. Interesting. There's nothing really happening today, apart from Euro USD crashing down. Oy, 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 oy. Check GPJPY, normal BD rules. Okay, I wouldn't take that trade. It's against the trend. Is it? Yeah, double bottom there. Double bottom. Good little setup there. You see that double bottom on the 5 minutes? See that there? You go over to the 1 minute and you get a signal. You would have got in here. Nice. Nice call, that signal. Unfortunately, I missed it. I'm waiting for GPUSD to line up. I'm waiting for USD CAD. I'm waiting for Euro USD. And that's it really. Oh, and USD JPY might give me a double top pattern here. So I'm just playing it safe at the minute. If you did take that USD JPY trade, that GPJPY trade, that was a good win. That would be a good setup. That Aaron Sharma, that's your name. Good setup here. Price is starting to slow down a bit. Look at that setup. Look at that. Oh, it's like 10 pips. Helen is in here. GPUSD. Yeah, GPUSD has given some good setups, especially this one here. In fact, this setup was a nice setup. The only reason why I didn't take it was because it was against the trend. Well, it wasn't. I wouldn't say this trade was against the trend because we're starting to turn here. I would just, like, if I'm unsure on a trade, I'm not going to take it. And I was unsure on this trade, even though it did win. I'd rather leave winners on the table than take winners. You know, take trades that I think are going to lose. Like again, look, GPJPY that guy pulled out. That was a nice setup here, beautiful trade. But again, you know, even though we had this double top bottom effect here, it is technically still against the trend. So this is why I didn't take that trade as well. And Euro USD. Now Euro USD is trending up. What's Euro USD? Okay, Euro USD has come back up to this zone at the top here. So we're not going to see much action with that one. USD Chef is, wait, what is this? What is this gap, market gap here? Christ. What you think it will go down or not? What GPUSD? Okay, well, GPUSD, that was a nice setup. Okay, as you can see there. But would I, if this was me, I'd be looking for a sell trade only purely because you can see prices below the moving average. When you turn the pullback modes on, we are still technically in a downtrend. Okay, it's not until we start trending above this here, like as you can see, like here, right here, that's a downtrend. Yeah, it's a downtrend. When the price is above it, like here, it's an uptrend. So technically, this is still a downtrend, and that's the reason why I didn't take that. But both of these trades now have entered the sell zone at the top. Both of these trades have entered the sell zone. So it might be a good time to sell GPJPY, and it might be a good time to sell GPUSD. So I'm going to keep a close eye on these two now. And I'm going to change the moving average to a 10. And I'm going to change the moving average here. Okay, we just play the waiting game now. Okay, right. GPJPY. Okay, well, USD Chef's gone flying again. I tell you what, GPJPY looks like a possible setup forming. 5-minute charts. Okay, downtrend. You can see that. Okay, let me just turn the pullback zones on. Okay, we're still in a downtrend, and it looks like we're starting to slow down. Notice how we've got this resistance area on GPJPY. Notice that here, downtrend. Okay, we come up and reject straight off this support area. So a possible sell trade on be nice to see it close below the moving average. Nice. Nice. I caught that perfectly, that trade. Absolute nice. Nice, nice, nice. Let's just hope this stays below. looks like we're following a double top pattern on GPU and GPJP wildcat. We are. A double top pattern appearing on GPJPY. Oh, God. Look at that. Look. Double top with diversions. And technically, this trade is with the trend. So wait for a signal and we'll be entering on GPJPY. Also GPUSD. GPUSD. I don't quite like GPUSD because it's not really in the sell zone. I always take trades in the sell zone or the buy zone. So just sit and play the waiting game. Sit and play the waiting game. Sit and play the waiting game. Just hide. Price creates higher highs. RSI creates lower lows, lower highs. I think, everyone, I'm just going to take the one signal today, or the one trade. I mean, I had such a good trading session yesterday. I mean, I smashed it yesterday. The BD was on fire yesterday. So really, there's only really one setup with GPJPY. Right, okay, so what is going on here? I tell you what, GPJPY has literally just gone to the moon and back. Literally just gone. I mean, look at that. Bang. Where would JPJPY go in? Hello, Beady Arrow. Hello. Rory saying GPJPY, pull back arrow on 5 minutes. Let me see what the 5 minutes is saying. Pull back arrow. Da, 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 da. Interesting. Notice how we're below the moving average now. We was above it, we're now below it. What's Hopefully we close below this moving average. Perfect double top. Look at that. Perfect double top with diversions. Be a good time to sell GPJPY. Yes. Risky. This is where you want to be selling GPJPY, like there. Right, I'm selling GPJPY, everyone, as you can see here. Let's see what happens on these ones. Ow. Look at that big engulfing candle there. Let's see what GPUSD is saying. Okay, we've got a signal on GPUSD. Okay, now that doesn't mean sell. Okay, let me just have a look of what's going on. Okay, that must mean that we've got a sell on. Notice, right, this is what I'm doing. Okay, look at GPUSD. Notice how we go down on GPUSD, it pops a signal, right? At the same time, watch GPJPY. And watch how that too should pop a signal any minute now. Okay, GPUSD has popped a signal. I might go for a quick 5-minute trade here. Okay, in fact, I am. I'm going to go for a 5-minute trade on GPUSD. Let's see what happens there. Okay, GPJPY still going down. Okay, now we popped a signal on JPY. GPUSD is going nicely into the money. I'll bring this up like that. I don't know if you can see. I hope this wins. See that, right, looking at GPUSD, that is a good signal because you're looking at the fact price is below the moving average, right? We're making higher highs, RSI makes lower highs, okay, and then we close below. And typically, all right, come on. Pop this like that. Okay, we're below the moving average, okay. These are all going to be winners, these are. Right, there's my signal, then it disappears, then it comes back, then it disappears. Win, come on. You notice how we're sandwiched below that moving average. Come on. We've also got a sell. Might have a possible sell on Euro USD here. I've got 1 minute to go on that 5-minute trade. It literally needs to drop in the next minute. Okay, GPJPY is still going down. Okay, Euro USD starting to turn. Ow. Right, I have got everything green apart from GPUSD. Let's see what happens. What's happening with GPUSD? Come on. No, not what I wanted to see. Three, two, one, and typically we've got 3 trades left. Typically, right? Look, watch this, okay? GPJPY, perfect, right? Does what you want it to do. You look at GPUSD, which tracks it, okay? They do the same, and then what happens within the next minute, GPUSD drops. Right, let me read some of your messages. Right, let me read some of your messages. Is GPUSD not risky with price in buy zone on higher time frame? Okay, on buy zone. Yes. Okay, let me just have a look what you mean by buy zone. Okay, right. I see what you mean. Okay. Yes, it is on the buy zone on the 30-minute charts, okay? But you have to remember, I'm not trading the 30-minute charts. I'm trading the 1-minute charts, okay? There's a big difference, okay? Because you can look at the daily time frame, right? Let's look at the I don't know, I was going to say look at the 1 hour, right? But look at this, okay? I'm trading the 1-minute charts, okay? So all I'm interested is what's happening on this time frame. So I'm looking at the 5 minutes now and I'm thinking, okay, we've come up to this resistance level at the top here, okay? You can see it here, okay? Prices come up, oversold, okay? So I'm looking now for sell trades off the 1-minute charts because I know on the 5-minute charts we're at a resistance level. Okay, so this is why I go down to the 1-minute charts and you will see, notice how the RSI is starting to slow down now. Okay, we're starting to slow down on the RSI. Okay, so basically what we're doing now is just kind of perfectly waiting for that entry. We might pull down now. We might get a big red candle here any minute. Now, GPJPY does exactly what I wanted it to do, which it has done. God, look what's happening with USDJPY. USDJPY has just gone swimming. So we lost GPUSD for a 5-minute expiry. Okay, let me see if I can find one more. Notice this, right? Look, you notice how we're starting to slow down at this level, right, on GPUSD. Okay, now forget the factor in the buy zone on the 30-minute charts because I'm not trading the 30-minute charts. Okay, what I'm trading is the 1-minute charts. Okay, look, notice how we're starting to reject now? Look at the candlesticks. Okay, I've just, right, let's just fire off just a small 10-minute trade, right? And we'll try and capture the movement as it drops, right? So we'll see what happens there. Okay, here we go. It starts to drop. We need to close below that white moving average, though, to confirm a sell trade, yeah? But you see, right, forget the 30-minute charts because I'm not trading the 30-minute charts. You know, you can look at the 30-minute charts now and you can say this, okay, look, support. And then you can go, oh, look, resistance. Okay, so yeah, there's a lot of things going on the 30-minute charts, but I'm not interested in that. What I'm interested in is look at the 5-minute charts. I'm thinking, okay, we're at that support area. Notice how we're rejecting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rejections. Okay, you go down to the 1-minute charts and you start to see the price falling. And typically that 5-minute expiry lost. And then what happens? 2 or 3 minutes later, price drops. You know, it's just unfortunately that's one of those trades with binary that you can't do nothing about it. You see, if you'd entered a 15-minute expiry on this candle, on this arrow, you would have won this trade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. A 10-minute expiry against the trend on GPUSD, you would have won this trade. But typically, I take a 5-minute trade, it loses. So this will be the last trade for the day anyway. BDR 1 minute, 10-minute winner on GJ. Yeah, exactly. I also won the same trade on GPJPY, as you can see here. Look, if you zoom out now, you can see that pattern, that consolidation area here. Right, GPUSD. Okay, one set up here. So I'll wait for this to come in, everyone, and that'll be my trading session done. I don't know what I've done today. I think it's like maybe 6-1, maybe 1 loss. Who knows? Right. That's me done, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the session. Obviously, if you're a BD member and you're watching this, just remember tomorrow is training Wednesday. So we'll do some more videos on this. And obviously I'll upload it into the members area. I'm going to go have a lie down because I feel absolutely knackered. 60 seconds to go. Look, just let me quickly show you, right? GPJPY, right? Drops now. Look at that nice setup there. Took an hour, waited an hour for this setup, but it paid off nicely, eh? Oh my God, look at that setup on AUD/USD. Completely missed that. Look at that for a setup. Oh man. A lot of setups literally happened within 10 minutes. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that and thank you for watching.